my name's Scott Ryers from MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm doing a video walkthrough of this wonderful traded in 2006 Sea Ray Sundeck. Beautiful boat, kept in fresh water on Lake Kiwi. This boat, as you can see, has the water washed down here in the back. The nice walk through here. As you can see, it has a wonderful cover that I'm just going to move out of the way for you all right here. Has the nice playpen seating, dual captain's chairs. Great boat with the 5.0 Merc Cruiser motor. Nice big bow with the bow filler cushions. Got the cover here. Great boat for the summertime for you and your family to get out on the lake and enjoy. It's got the little sink here. Wonderful boat. Come and check this boat out at MarineMax Greenville. Or check us out at MarineMaxGreenville.com or call us at 864-236-9005. Thank you.